Misplay's referral bonus is tied to specific referral conditions, so simply sending someone your invite link does not automatically guarantee a reward. By the end, you'll know how Mistplay referrals work, where to find your referral link, what the invited user needs to do, and what to check if the bonus does not appear. Start inside the Mistplay app and look for the referral or invite section available on your account. If your account has access to the referral program, Mistplay provides a referral link or code that you can share with another person. The important part is that the other person needs to use your referral method correctly. Do not assume that someone installing Mistplay later will automatically be connected to your referral. Have the new user follow the instructions shown by Mistplay when they sign up. Referral promotions can also have specific eligibility requirements. Those requirements can change, and they can depend on the promotion, account, location, or other conditions. Because of that, do not rely on an old referral bonus amount from another video or website. Check the exact offer displayed inside your Mistplay account before sharing it. The next thing to understand is that referral rewards are different from normal gameplay rewards. Playing games and earning units is one part of Mistplay. A referral promotion is a separate offer with its own requirements. Completing gameplay on your own account does not automatically complete the requirements for someone you referred. If you referred someone and the bonus is missing, start by checking whether they actually used your referral link or code. Then check the promotion terms shown in your Mistplay account. Look for requirements involving account eligibility, qualifying activity, or any deadline included in the offer. You should also make sure the person you referred is using an eligible account and device. Do not create additional accounts just to trigger referral rewards. That can create account and eligibility problems instead of increasing your rewards. Another mistake is assuming that referral rewards appear instantly. Mistplay can require qualifying activity or processing before a promotional reward appears. If the offer specifies a waiting period or milestone, follow that requirement before assuming the referral failed. For the safest approach, take a screenshot of the referral offer before sending your link. That gives you a record of the terms that were displayed when you started the referral. Then, send the referral link directly, and make sure the new user follows the sign-up instructions. So, the Mistplay referral bonus is not simply send a link and get paid. The referral has to satisfy the conditions attached to the specific promotion available to your account. The exact bonus amount and requirements can change, so use the current offer inside Mistplay as your source of truth. Your next step is to open Mistplay, check the current referral offer, and read every eligibility requirement before sending your invite. If this explained the Mistplay referral bonus clearly, like the video and subscribe for more Mistplay guides and reward tips.